Is this your very first shot?
This is my new Glock 17.
Excellent.
Just got it today for my birthday. It's my first gun ever that I own personally. So I'm very excited about it. I'm going to take the first shots.
See that?
Not too bad for the first couple shots out of the gun.
They're beautifully shiny.
It's lots of bullseyes.
It's probably about 7 yards.
Film me not knowing what I'm doing.
No, it's okay. Okay, so go ahead and load. All right.
Is that enough?
Yep.
And then
Keep
just
your
pull that
finger off
down?
the trigger and do the slide release.
Pull it down?
Yep.
Sure about that?
It's gonna click, so hold on to it.
I can't do it. Ah, thank you.
Okay, now come stand over here.
Okay, where were you at?
Right about here.
Okay.
And
And then I just pull the trigger, or do I have to cock it first?
nope, it's already got a bullet in the chamber, so
After
don't
that,
put your finger on the trigger till you're ready to go. So get your feet
which
situated.
foot forward, right or left?
Shoulder width apart. Right can be slightly forward. You're going to want to put this dot right in the middle of the target,
Okay.
and then line it up so that the top of it's along the top of these.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Hold on to it tight. Okay. Put your finger off the trigger.
That was a little bit stronger.
You're not
than
holding tight. Lefty.
Do what?
Nice shooting. I said lefty.
That was good.
The trigger on the pad of your finger.
All right.
And a nice smooth pull all the way back. Don't anticipate, because if you do, you'll
Pull this back.
move your target, or you'll move where you're aiming.
Slide forward. You hit it.
Nice.
Looking good.
Bottom of the target, a little higher.
They did it.
Nope.
They did it.
Are you? Hold on. Don't squeeze. Are you lining this dot up between these two?
So, I'll try it.
Keep that front dot right in the center, and then line it up between the back two.
Yeah. You're done?
Dog coming.
I want to back up.
Megan, you're good at that. Watch the target. Yep. The dog's up there again. Yeah. Yay!
Good job.
At the very top right. The very, very top one.
Megan,
Sweet.
did you want to
Left,
shoot it again?
I mean.
What do you think?
It's fun.
Yeah?
Yes. I think.
Hey, where are you going tomorrow?
Disneyland. Wait, no. Chile.
Chile, huh?
Me voy a Chile.
Awesome.
Chile.
Cool.
Yes.
Oh yeah. It's pretty sweet. Glock 17.